Okay, part two of taking your gasket to laser cutter. So we left off with saving this as a PDF, and you can see up top here it says gasket.pdf. So now what do? Well, first off, what we have to do is we're going to type in Explorer, okay, and this is File Explorer, okay, and we're going to start it up. From File Explorer, you're going to see mine comes up. There it is right there, Gasket. It's located under Downloads, okay, Gasket. So I'm going to right mouse click on it, open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. So now we open it up in Adobe Acrobat Reader. From here, we're going to go File. We're going to go to Print. From Print, we're going to change the printer, and it's going to be called VLS 3.50. Now yours says slash something else. I changed mine to say at Highland. Okay, but it's VLS 3.50. Okay, that's what it's going to start with, and you click it. Now, if it does not set up to 12 by 24 like this, or 24 by 12, over here, actual size, make sure it's on there, and we want landscape. Okay, and make sure it's picked to landscape. So there we go. So we have our actual size landscape, and we hit print. Now, we go back in the bottom corner under the search, and we type in UCP, the Universal Control Panel. Okay, and that starts up the laser software. And if you've done it right, here is your gasket already brought in. Okay, and it should be the right size. If it's black, you've done it wrong, and we have to go back to Inkscape and figure out that you didn't do a line the right color. So from here, pretty straightforward. We go to settings. From settings, we go to manual control. From here, we're going to go 90, and speed, we're going to go 100. Okay, as a matter of fact, we're going to go for power, we're going to go like 25 and 100, because all we're going to do is go through paper. I will actually set this up for you, but try with 25 and 100, and we're just going to go through and cut through some paper. We go set, we go OK, and the only other thing we might want to do is, depending on what piece of paper or gasket material you have, you might need to come over to relocate, and we can grab the center of this, and we can actually move it around, or we can grab the top corner and put in X is 2, Y is 4, and it will actually just go and move it to where you want it to. Okay, this being the X, this being the Y. Okay, once you're here, you're going to call Mr. Klassen over, and then you're going to go to laser and laser out your gasket. And that is it for this tutorial.